guys, and today I'm going to be making some slime. So let's get started. And make sure you subscribe, click the like button and give it a big thumbs up. So let's get started. First we are going to make some galactic slime. So we want to add some white glue. Nibble. Then pour some in. So I didn't do very much because I don't want much slime, and I'm not going to add any sugar. So next we need to add some of these sequins. Okay, so I only added that, so that's it so far. Now we're just going to mix with my teeny little spoon. Right, mix. And as you can see, it's just sequins and white glue. Next we need to add some paint. So I'm going to use blue, because it's galactic-y. That's good. So then we're gonna mix. So my blue, it's dark, but it's nice. It's a nice darkish colour. Maybe it's like that right now. A bit more sequins. Oh, and I'm just going to add some glitter, which is already open. Glitter. And then, oh, and I'm using a slime kit for this because I just bought a new one. So this one, this activator, it's very strong. So we only need to do a little bit at a time. So just 2 drops I did. And look, it's already turning into slime. So I'm gonna do 2 more drops there. Keeps on getting over me. I'm so messy. So now mix it. There. Now I'm going to start playing with it. Very sticky, but you really need to be careful. It's quite small, but I only like small slimes. Gigantic, they're just too big, hard to play with. Teeny bit, so I'm going to add a bit more glue. Like that much. I added that much, just so it can be a bit more softer and so it can go underactivated a bit. Oh, and before the video I made this slime. Clear glitter. It isn't clear right now because it's all foggy from when I mixed it. And guys, a tip about clear slime. You have to underactivate it, and then you play with it when it's underactivated, and it will just activate on itself. That's how clever it is. See? Yeah, it's still a bit rippy, but it's good for now. It is quite stretchy. Oh, and tomorrow I will be doing 60 seconds slime challenge, so 1 minute to make slime. Should be quite hard. Or put a comment down below if I should do a 24-hour challenge in my bedroom. So I'm in my bedroom right now, as you can see on my bed. So I'll be spending 24 hours in here. So let's get on to the next slime. The next slime is going to be purple slime with some glitter in. Sorry, I love glitter. Love. It's good. This slime kit, it doesn't give you much glue. It gives you 2 bottles of white glue and then 1 bottle of clear. But you can make like 3 slimes with the bottle of glue. Or you can use it for a whole slime. Duh. Bubbles. Oh, I make such a mess. This slime I'm going to make quite big. So that's good. Quite big. Oh, and guys, do you think I should experiment putting some clear glue in it? I think I'll do it. Right. I've already used the clear glue. This clear glue is very clear and then it goes quite foggy. So now we're going to mix. That's done. Right, so colour purple. So I need one of my sticks. Guys, make sure you close your paint properly after you've used it. Because I didn't, then we had a bit of a spillage. So I want to make it quite dark because the purple's quite light. So we'll just put this in the bowl I used earlier. And this paint, it does do quite a lot, but the purple, it doesn't tint it very much, but I have a lightish, darkish. There. Do you think I should put some glitter in, guys? I'll add glitter at the end. We'll just make some noise. This time I added 1 drop just to be careful. Yeah, no, it is starting to do something. Not properly. I'm going very careful on this one. Yeah. Very careful. I added 2 drops then because I know I will be going through this stage quite a lot. Right, I think it's time to go in my hands. Yeah, okay. As you can see, it's way stickier than last time. Way stickier because I went really slowly and making sure I don't overactivate it because the activator is very strong. One wrong move, slime's done. But this is working out very well, this one. And it's activating a bit more. But I would recommend to go very careful with your activator for slime kits because you can never really rely on it. But yeah, this one's better. Haven't kneaded it properly yet. Look, isn't properly kneaded because it's still spider webby. Kneading. So this is quite a nice purple. I might add some glitter, maybe like a little bit. Not too much. Not like Galactic slime and the glitter slime what I made before the video you didn't see me make. So, just rolling it, kneading it. So this one is stretchier than all the others I have made. Way stretchier, much better, as you can see. Right. Done. So now I need to get it all off the bowl. And then done. Just add glitter and then we'll be done with it. So yeah, this one's way better. I'm gonna try an Instagram swirl. So to make an Instagram swirl, you have to keep on pulling it. Putting it and then putting it up, putting it, putting it up, putting it, putting it up, putting it, putting it up, and then start to get these lines. Once you like the lines you have, you're going to swirl it. I'll show you this in a minute. Wait. We're going to swirl it. And then tuck the excess on the bottom. That. And then here the clicks. Ready? Sticking to everything. It isn't very clicky, but it's good slime. It's a bit too small to make a bubble. But I'm gonna have to say bye.